Hey everyone! Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the effectiveness of oral minoxidil for beard growth. What is oral minoxidil? Minoxidil is a medication that was originally used to treat high blood pressure. It's now widely used as a topical solution to treat hair loss and promote hair growth. Oral minoxidil for beard growth. Recently, there's been a growing trend of using oral minoxidil for beard growth. Some people believe that taking the medication orally is more effective than using it topically. The research. However, there's limited research to support this claim. Currently, there are no FDA-approved uses for oral minoxidil, and it's not recommended by most dermatologists for beard growth. Side effects. Additionally, oral minoxidil can cause significant side effects, including low blood pressure, dizziness, and an irregular heartbeat. It's important to discuss the potential risks and benefits with a doctor before using oral minoxidil. Conclusion. In conclusion, while some people may have had success using oral minoxidil for beard growth, it's important to remember that there's limited research to support this and it can come with significant risks. It's best to speak with a doctor before starting any new medication. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Take care.